Right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to add state locations to your test campaign, and we'll also apply it to our other single product campaigns. But basically what adding locations allow us to do is that when we go to optimize our campaigns, we can create bid adjustments that are based on states. So for example, if people from California are more likely to buy our products than say people in Texas, so there's a higher conversion rate from people in California, what we can do is we can create a bid adjustment that says when people are searching from California, increase bids by like 10-15%. And then we can make bid reductions for states that people aren't likely to purchase, right? So to do this, you just go into locations, and then here you want to click this little blue button. You want to go select campaign and go test bucket. You want to click add locations in bulk. And then what you simply want to do is, I've got a list here of all the states in the US. I'm just going to paste them in like that. I'll leave this list in the description of this video so you can go and paste it in. But then what we want to do is we want to go search, and it will find all of the states here. And then what we want to do is go target all, and then we want to go save. And so now you can see that all these states have been added, right? So what happens now is that when we start to get traction in our shopping campaign, we can see which states are clicking on our ads, and we can also see like which state has the highest conversion rate. Once we do that, we can add bid adjustments here, right, to states that have high conversion rates. So say if California people had the highest conversion rate, we can put an increase of like 10%. So so the example is a $10 bid will become $11. So we're increasing the bid on states that are more likely to purchase. We won't do that now. I'll come in and do another video of location optimization later.